Hi, this is Paul with Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and today we're looking at a special unit that was provided by a customer. This is a sold unit. This is just an example of what we can do here at Freedom Motors USA. This vehicle here has got lots of extra special stuff done to it. It's including a driver transfer seat and some hand controls, a different style of hand controls than we normally do. And it's got a grip for the steering wheel that has Bluetooth commands. You can honk the horn, turn on your windshield wipers, all sorts of cool stuff with this unit right here. Really cool unit. This is a special one. Third row seat, flip and fold. You just flip that hook there and it releases it and drops right down. That's really easy. I've got some other YouTube videos showing the flip and fold. I didn't want to get inside of this vehicle. It's brand new. It's about ready to be shipped, so just wanted to show you folks how cool this vehicle is. Really beautiful. It's like it is brand new. It's a brand new vehicle that they purchased. It's got navigation, heated and cooled seats. So we are able here at Freedom Motors to take a vehicle that you purchase and we have it converted into a wheelchair accessible vehicle. So it's pretty awesome. This one's got really cool bird's eye view cameras, backup cameras, front cameras. This is a beautiful loaded up vehicle. You can see the hand controls here. The transfer seat I'm showing you here in this demonstration, the transfer seat when it was all the way back after transferring from the wheelchair, so you can see how it works. That hand control there, or that spinner, has got Bluetooth capability, so you can turn your windshield wipers on and off and honk your horn, all sorts of cool stuff. So this has got a power rear hatch, dual power sliding doors. The power rear hatch is a factory key fob, and then the other key fob is the Freedom Motors key fob for the power rear entry wheelchair accessible ramp. Beautiful vehicle. Here at Freedom Motors, we've been in business for 32 years, and since 1985. And we offer a huge selection of wheelchair accessible vehicles. We have cars, trucks, SUVs, vans. Many vehicles like this you can transfer from your wheelchair into the driver's seat and drive by yourself without having to depend on anybody else to cart you around. You can just take off. This is pretty awesome. There's also an easy lock system which you can have installed on the floor, which will secure your wheelchair so it's not moving around in transit. So you can see this power transfer seat. It's important to have the power door, the rear door open, so that you can get a full swivel. So you can swivel the chair all the way over so you can transfer from your wheelchair. Makes it really nice. Gives you the freedom. Here at Freedom Motors, we've been in business for over 30 years, and we give people the freedom to travel in style. You don't have to just travel in a boring old minivan. This one's the top of the line, loaded up, all the bells and whistles. Power driver transfer seat, hand controls, hand spinner for the steering wheel with Bluetooth capability. It's a beautiful vehicle. It's just an example of some of the awesome things we can do here at Freedom Motors. If you check out our website, freedommotors.com, and check out our YouTube page, you can see walk-around videos of Chevy Suburbans, and there's one in the background there, Chevy Silverados, Yukons. Got all sorts of beautiful wheelchair accessible vehicles. Check out our website, freedommotors.com. We have hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles in stock, starting from $11,999 all the way up to $79,999. Give us a call, 1-800-625-6335 if you have any questions. That's 1-800-625-6335. That's Freedom Motors, USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Thanks for watching my video, and have a great day.